Hello friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn rounding of numbers. Rounding means you have to estimate. There are two words, estimate and exact. Exact means what is the exact value? When you multiply 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35. So this is called exact value. But when you say near, like this is 40. So 40 is nearest to 35. So this is estimate. When you say nearby the exact value, that is called estimated value. And in our daily life, this is very useful. For example, you are going to market and you have made a list of items which you have to purchase. So you will take a estimated money with you to buy those products. Okay. So when you go to market, you will pay exact money, but in your pocket you will keep a nearby money which will you have to pay. Okay. Or like in a stadium, there are 6, 5, 4, 3 persons watching match. Okay. So this is nearest this. So this is nearest 6500 person was watching the match. Okay, this is exact value and this is estimated value. This is estimated. Estimate means nearby. Okay, so today we will learn this concept, rounding of numbers nearest 10. Okay, so let me take first example 63. Now you have to say 63 is nearest to which tens? And you know tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these are tens. So for this we have two conditions. First is you will see less than 5. Less than 5. And second condition is 5 or more than 5. More than 5. Okay. So there are two conditions only. Less than 5 and 5 or more than 5. So you can have 5 also or you can have more than 5 also. Okay. Now here first you will see the condition. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. So tens. You will underline the tens place. Okay. You will write this is ones place and this is tens place. You will write the underline the tens place. But you have to compare this ones place with 5. You will compare this ones place. For tens you have to compare the ones place. One digit earlier. Okay. So see 3 is less than 5. First condition. So when there is first condition met. So this tens place remain the same and this 3 become 0. So 63 is nearest to 60. One more example, I am taking 77. So tens place you have to underline the tens place, but you will compare this ones place. You will compare this ones place with 5. Now 7 is more than 5. So this is second condition, more than 5. So when 7 is more than 5, so you will write the successor of this tens place. So you will add 1 in this tens place. This become 8 and this becomes 0. So 77 is nearest to 80. So 77 is nearest to 80. One more example, I am taking 85. This is ones and this is tens place. So for tens you have to first you will underline the tens place. Now compare this ones place with 5. This is 5 equal to 5. Always compare with 5. So 5 is equal to 5 and this is again second condition because 5 or more than 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So what we will do? Then also we will write the successor of 8. And what is the successor of 8? 9. You will add 1 in 8. So 9 and this becomes 0. So 85 is nearest to 90. So first, when you have to round off nearest tens, underline the 10 place. Then you will write these two conditions. If first condition is there, so the tens place remain the same. And if there is second condition, then write the successor on tens place. What is the number is there? Just add 1 in that number. And this ones place always become 0. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now we will go nearest to 100 place. Nearest to 100. Round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Same condition we have to follow. Like I have taken 5, 7, 9. For 100 place, I have to underline the 100 place. For tens place, we were underlining tens place. Now for 100 place, first you will underline the 100 place. Pay attention on 100 place. And then see the next digit. That is of tens place. So this is ones, tens, 100. Underline the 100 place. You will see the tens place over here. Don't go on ones place. Only tens place. Next digit of underlined number. Okay. Write down the condition. First condition is less than 5. And second condition is 5 or more than 5. More than 5. So now you will compare this tens place with these conditions. And 7 is more than 5. So second condition is there. So you will add 1 in this. So this becomes 6 and these two digits become 0. So 579 is nearest to 600. Okay. Now I am taking one more example, 1730. Now for this also, first you will write the place values. For nearest 100, you will underline the 100 place and see its next place to compare. 3. 3 is less than 5. So first condition is there, less than 5 is first condition. So this 7 remains the same. All the digit to the left hand side remains the same and these 100 place, tens place and ones place become 0. So 1730 is nearest to 1700. 1700. One more example, 2, 5, 5, 6. Now in this number, again 100 nearest to 100, so you will underline the 100 place. See next, and 5 is equal to 5. So this digit you have to write down. This is second condition, and in second condition you have to add 1 in underlined number. So this becomes 6, these two become 0 and left side numbers remains the same. Okay, one more example I am taking in this. If I am taking this 2601, I am taking this number and I have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So I will underline the 100 place. Now see the tens place. This is ones place, tens place and 100 and 1000. And nearest 100 I will underline the 100 place. I will see tens place and my two condition is less than 5. Second, 5 or more than 5. More than 5. Now compare this 0. 0 is less than 5. First condition. Less than 5. So 0 is less. So 6 remains the 6. And these two digits become 0 and 2 remain the same. Okay. Now one more example I am taking. I am taking 3, 9, 6, 2. And I have to round off nearest 100. Okay. So I will underline the 100 place. Okay. Now 6. I will compare the next digit to the underlined 9. 9 is underlined, so I will see the 6. 6. 6 is greater than 5. So second condition. 6 is greater than 5. This is our second condition. And in second condition, you have to add 1 in underlined number. So add 1 in this. These two become 0. These two digit, ones and tens. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will not write 10, you will write 0 and carry 1. So 3 become 4. So 3962 is nearest to 4000. So when there is 9 and you will add 1, so you have to carry. You have to carry and this become 4. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we are coming on round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. Now our next step is round off the numbers to the nearest 1000 place. Okay, now you have to nearest 1000. In 1000 how many 0 is there? 30. Means in your answer 30 must be there. Okay, now I am taking a number that is 38926. I have taken this number and I have to round off the number to the nearest 1000. So first I will write the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and this is 10,000. So for 1000 place you will underline the 1000 place and you will compare this 100 place with those two conditions: less than 5 and second 5 or more than 5. More than 5. So I will compare this 9 with these two conditions in which it will lie. So 9 is greater than 5. So this is our second condition. This is our second condition. So I will add 1 in underlined number. These 3 digits become 0 because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So surely in answer 30 must be there. It can be 4 when that 9 will be there. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 is same. So 39,000. So 38,926 is nearest to 39,000. One more example I am taking, that is 430497. You can round off any number, big or small. Now this is the number. So first you have to write down the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. But you have to do nearest 1000 and this is your 1000 place. This is your 1000 place. Then you have to compare the 100 place with these two conditions. So 100 place is 4 and 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So 4 is less than 5. So first condition, and in first condition we never add 1. So this 0 remains the 0. And these 3 digits become 0 and the left side digit will be same. The left side digit will be same. So 4,30,497 is nearest to 4,30,000. Only what you have to do, जिसके आपको नियरेस्ट करना होता है उसको अंडरलाइन कीजिए, उससे नेक्स्ट डिजिट को इन टू कंडीशंस के साथ कंपेयर कीजिए. अगर फर्स्ट कंडीशन है तो अंडरलाइन नंबर सेम रहता है. अगर सेकंड कंडीशन है तो आप अंडरलाइन नंबर में 1 ऐड कर देते हैं. राइट हैंड साइड जीरोज हो जाती है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेम रहती है. ओके, आई होप दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू. इन द सिमिलरली you can round off nearest 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, any number. The same condition you have to follow and to which you have to round off nearest. You will underline only that place and compare the next digit to it. Okay. So one task I am giving to you and you have to round off these numbers to nearest 10. Now my question is, question number, round off Round off the following. First part, 57 nearest tens, 129 nearest hundreds, and third part is 5555 nearest thousand. So this is the task for you. Just try this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Give in comment box, and if you like my video, like it and subscribe my channel. Okay, have a nice day.